Welcome back to eye training course. With eye exercises, to heal astigmatism naturally, we need to harmonize eye muscle work. The lower rectus muscle is much stronger than the upper left and right rectus eye muscle. When the lower eye muscle is stronger, it pulls the eyeball down, interferes with refraction, and causes double vision. You might notice that double vision usually appears when your eyes get tired. It's because stronger lower eye muscle pulls the eyeball down. It's like, for example, slightly touching the eyelid with a finger. Refraction gets distorted and double vision appears. Light focuses precisely on the macula in the retina center when all eye muscles are equally trained and developed, and vision is clear if all eye muscles are equal and the eyes are relaxed. If the lower eye muscle is stronger, it interferes with proper refraction and vision can get double, which is astigmatism. Let's do an astigmatism test. Which eye muscle is stronger? Just close your eyes, relax, and slowly and relaxedly move your eyes up under closed eyelids, then to the center, down, then to the center. To move your eyes down is much easier than to move your eyes up because we are looking down a lot. With eye exercises to heal astigmatism naturally, we need to train our upper, left and right rectus eye muscles to harmonize their work. In the beginning we learned relaxation in the first module. In a relaxed state it is no astigmatism also. With the dynamic relaxation technique, we need to prepare a relaxed state for doing eye exercises. Next step we do light stretching eye exercises. We are not looking down. The lower rectus muscle are already stronger. We are just stretching it by looking relaxed up. When eye muscle work equally, proper eye focusing on the macula in the center of the retina, and we can see clearly. With eye exercises, we need to improve the eye muscle's shape and balance the eye muscle work. If you want a more in-depth, high-quality course to improve your vision naturally, heal astigmatism, myopia naturally with eye exercises, enroll in Eyesight Academy online program, a link in the description below.